What's going on, YouTube? Licorice and a tea. I hope you're having a better day than me. So before we get into the meat and potatoes, we got a little story time beforehand. Tuesday morning on my way to work, was literally 2 minutes away, top of the hill. We're driving down the back road, complete whiteout, can't see. Roads weren't that bad though. So I'm like, here's what it is. You can just drive a little bit over. Another truck comes over the hill, like a 2500 with a big trailer. We're like, he's cresting the hill, I'm meeting him near the top. And then he just starts merging into my lane. I'm like, what the fuck, dude? So I go like right to the ditch. He still keeps coming. I'm like, there's no way he's gonna move over. And then literally an explosion. Boom! Right beside my fucking ear. Look out, mirror's literally in 100 pieces, folded against the glass. The mirror's fucking exploded everywhere. So I pull over, top of the hill, hop out of the truck, look for Buddy, look down the hill. Nah, Buddy just kept going, dude. He wasn't stopping for no one. That's what I meant by I hope you're having a better day than me. My week started. I already had to spend $400 to go get a new mirror because Buddy exploded the shit out of mine. So let's go get into that before we get into the meat and potatoes, buddy. Fuck, bro. I fucking hate Canada, man. I was out there for 2 seconds, froze my ass off. Double checked my mirror. It's 3-pin, exactly what I thought. And yeah, take out these 4 bolts. Take out these 4 bolts. You can't see the other 2 because the door's closed. Guess I'm freezing my ass off. And swap that other one on quick so I can see something. You'll see it. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. It's like it didn't even happen. It's like it didn't even happen. Now that I'm done freezing my ass off, let's get into what I actually wanted to show you. Okay, so same mess as last video, I know. But I got it all figured out. It's got a throttle position sensor code. That's why it won't run. It's got no throttle body. It's all off injection pump because it's diesel. So I need to rewire the gas pedal to the ECU again with better wire because I know I used some thin-ass bullshit that I got from my old job at Ford. So I know that's the problem for the throttle position, unless my gas pedal is actually cooked. Then I just need a new gas pedal after the fact. Instead of doing that, because I have 2 weeks off, I can do that during my 2 weeks. I have 2 more days left of work. So during those 2 days, we got to get some shit done, but it's going to be kind of slow. So I'm going to get all this intercooler piping, my intercooler, oh yeah, my valve cover, because my valve cover is leaking. It's spitting out crankcase pressure. You can feel it. I didn't put enough silicone on it whenever I did it. So I'm going to take off the valve cover, sandblast that, and then we're going to powder coat all the boost piping, the clamps for the silicone couplers. We'll do all the couplers black and all the boost pipe and the intercooler white. We just need to get all this taken apart anyways because there's a bunch of shit that I need to move. All this coolant shit isn't fully complete. I still need to run all the coolant tubes, coolant lines to the rad. So in the meantime, while I'm doing that, I can take out the boost pipe, clean up some other shit on the way, going through it, and see where we end up at the end once we have it all apart. See what I can tidy up, clean up, move out of the way, hide, tuck and tidy. You know what I mean? So yeah, let's get into it. And boom, just like that, all the intercooler piping off. Just got to get all the clamps off of it and stuff. Gonna need a new filter because that looks like shit. Now just the intercooler. Got the intercooler off, all the intercooler piping, valve cover too. Forgot to record taking the valve cover off. Got the baffling all taken out. And yeah, I'm gonna take this outside with the bracket, see if I can get it sandblasted a little bit before I take it to work and get it powder coated. Let's go see if my shitty little sandblaster will do it. Got a little setup for the shitty snow boys. Let's see how this works. Fuck, boys. I can't feel my fingers at all. But got the valve cover all done. Got that far on the valve cover. Got through doing this bracket, and my compressor just starts dying. Come over here. I'm flicking the reset on my power block in my toolbox. Oh, let's come flick the switch. I did that 3 times. There's no fucking way. Got that bracket finished. Just got to take all this intercooler piping apart, organize it so it's ready for whenever I take it to work Monday morning. And yeah, we'll get that done in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Just like that. All the annoying shit's all done. Everything's all cleaned, taken apart, organized and dried. All the black, all the white tubing, my valve cover. Also got that all scraped off, prepped and ready to go back on once it's painted. All the annoying stuff done. Well, yeah, that being said, I guess we'll see you next whenever we're at Paint Boys. See you there. We here, boys. We back. Oh snap. Oh snap, boys. We'll catch you when it's painted. She came out fucking mint, boys. Valve cover looks the worst out of all of it. Just got all this shit back from Paint Boys. Let's get this shit installed quick. Jeez. Fucking remember how I had all this routed, okay? This to come around this bitch. Aha, there's my cutout. I can't see, no light. That might do us a little something. Here's the fun part. All the powder coated nuts and bolts. Gotta jam the fucking socket on there now. At least it's only for the first fucking time. Like that, boys and girls. Got the whole left side all done. The intake on. Boost pipes all the way to the intercooler up front. Powder coated brackets. Now just onto the right side, the driver's side. Get it up through behind the headlight. And back up to the intake. Actually, before I get into finishing the intercooler piping down the other side, I'm gonna get the top of the head cleaned up for the valve cover, get that new RTV laid on for the gasket, call it good, bud. See all the check marks from rebuilding the head? The ARPs. Still doesn't run. Fuck. If Volkswagen just made the right fucking parts, man. You want to do a valve cover gasket on your fucking shitty ass ALH TDI? Buy a new valve cover. You can't get a new gasket. Sorry, bud. Sorry about your luck. If you want to do what I did and powder coat it, Buddy, you're gonna buy a new valve cover and torch the fucking gasket you just paid for. Can't take it out. It's melted right into the fucking valve cover. Definitely a fucking no, 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 no. All of that just for this little bit of TTV. Just for this little bit of Twitch TV. The high enough squish bead. We should be good there. Should be. It's also what I said last time. And the side of the valve.
The journey, it's been a miracle. It's been a wonder. 23 years.
What the fuck? Who connected to the speaker? That scared the shit out of me. Is my brother listening to? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Good thing, good thing, good thing. I'll dribble it up in that corner. Now we grab this bullshit and place it on this bullshit. Oh no, I don't. I am dumb. Dum da da dum dum dum. I'm the type to hop on the fly with a warrant, you gotta catch me. Always gotta forget a step somewhere, dude. I just don't want to break them. I want them in tight enough that they're not vibrating loose into my motor. Please and thank you. My light. Oh, almost just smoked my head. Really hope I put enough in there. Oh, that's tight. We just gotta pray. Just got that bung hole on top. Just like that. Just like that. Nope, like that. Boom, like that. Got enough squish out the back. I just don't see squish out the front because of fucking timing cover. Now I just gotta get the driver's side, opposite side, boost pipe, ran up to the intake. We're back to where we started, but it looks nice, and the valve cover's not leaking fucking crankcase. Literally tried to start it, no seal down the side here, just spitting crankcase pressure straight out the side of the cover. Let's get that fixed. Get all this done, and I'm probably gonna call her there. Shouldn't take me too long. Run that around, tube for the upgraded map sensor, and then run the rest of the tube down. Of course some dumb shit has to happen, dude. I go to do the time lapse, fucking GoPro dies. Didn't even hear it start beeping, nothing. So I just went along, got it all done. Anyways, I got all the charge pipes installed, the intake, intercooler. The opposite side I didn't time lapse, the pain in the ass snake side, all the way up to the upgraded map sensor. Looks pretty fucking good, boys, other than all the dust and dirt in there. Once it's clean, and that shit's all cleaned up, it'll look pretty fucking mint. Well, yeah, I think that's gonna be it, guys. Thanks to everyone who made it this far. Like, comment, subscribe, you know that YouTube shit. And yeah, that'll be it, guys. Later.